Okay, Panthers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark a web page so that you can access it later if you don't already know how to do that. So let's say I want to bookmark Mr. Allen's web page that's on the Pomona High School website. I just navigate to that page. I go there, and then up here in the URL bar where you type in addresses, there's this little star. You click this little star, and then I usually rename my pages so that I know what it is. So you could rename this Allen's web page or Allen's PHS web page. And then you can select the folder that you want it to go in. You could just put it on the bookmark bar if you want to access it all the time. That'd be great for like things like Schoology, but then some are you want like to go into your class folders. So I would probably put this one in English 9. You click done, and then it shows up over here, and you always have access to it. And you can just click, and it'll take you right to that web page. All right, that's easy.